Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learner's Park. Today I watched another tutorial video about C programming language posted by Caleb Curry. The title is this video is about installing the compiler called GCC. So basically what I learned is that he mentioned we need to set up the environment first. So we need to choose the operating system. So when it comes to choosing the operating system, it's actually very easy because there are two main kind of the operating system. One is the Windows, and another one is Unix-based operating system. So Mac, Apple, MacBook or iMac, they all belongs to Unix-based operating system. Also, he mentioned he'll be teaching this. He'll be using the Unix-based operating system to make the tutorial. So it's gonna be very easy if you have a Mac or if you install the Linux operating system to follow along with his tutorial. And the second one is he also mentioned if you have a Windows and if you wanna program with Unix, like Unix-based operating system, what you can do, you can use one of the tool is called VirtualBox. What you can do with it, you can download the VirtualBox and then you can install Linux in the VirtualBox. So like a Ubuntu is a free Linux operating system. So next we need a terminal. This is a terminal. If you don't have it on your dock, what you can do, you can search it. You just open your Spotlight search and type in terminal. It's probably gonna pop up on the top, on the first of the in your list. So this is my terminal looks like. You can change this appearance if you don't like this green color font. You can go click on the terminal, click on preference, and under profile tabs there are different profiles that you can choose from. I'm using the Homebrew, and I really like this theme. Is the interface, it looks like a very hacking, so it's kind of like a delusion that I'm actually a hacker, really good at coding or hacking. But that's not true. So it's just a terminal. And also what you can check if you are using a Mac or Linux or Unix based operating system, probably the GCC is already installed on your computer. What you can do is you just tap GCC and press enter. Okay, so if you got this message, no input files or something like this, that means you already have the GCC installed. In other words, if you don't have it installed, and it's gonna pop some information, ask you if you wanted to install something, and you just follow the instruction and probably say yes, you want to install, and then the GCC will be installed on your system. Okay, that's enough for the GCC. And also he mentioned he will be using the terminal based text editor called Vim, like this one. to write the code. So he will be not using other. You can use any other text editor, like you can use the Visual Studio Code, like this one. It was made by Microsoft. It's very intuitive. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to just use the Vim, because that's the one he will be using in this tutorial series. So I'm gonna do exactly the same. So you can, I'll just move to the desktop. Right now I'm in the directory, in the home directory, and I'm just moved to the desktop. I can, if you don't already have an existing file and you want to create one with a Vim, what you can do is just type Vim. After that, you can put the file's name that you are going to create. So you can put hello.c and just press enter. So a lot of people get confused, like if that's their first time to use the Vim, because this is very different from a normal text editor, like a GUI, normal text editor. So right now at the bottom it indicate this is a new file. But how did you get out? There are two modes. One is the insert mode. Another one is edit mode. But in this video, he didn't mention that. He just showed us how to get out of the file that you just created. What you can do, you can type in colon Q and you get out. Simple like that. Okay, that's all I have learned from this video. It's not a lot, it's very easy. Maybe the terminal looks intimidating, but I was able to find the terminal, and I can follow along. I can create, I can use, I know, like I figured that the GCC is already installed on my computer, so I don't have to worry about that. And also the Vim text editor seems to be working, so I'm ready. I'm outside for my environment. I'm ready for the next tutorial for tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.